Welcome back to the channel where future mobility, smart travel, and innovative vehicles come to life. If you love compact campers, road trip freedom, and clever designs that mix nostalgia with modern tech, you're in the perfect place. Today we're exploring something small in size but huge in personality and comfort. This is the Camper Mini RV Retro 2026. A tiny rolling home that proves big adventures don't need big vehicles. At first glance, the Camper Mini RV Retro 2026 instantly stands out with its classic old-school design. Rounded edges, smooth curves, and vintage-inspired details give it a timeless charm that feels straight out of the 1960s, but don't let the retro look fool you. Because beneath that nostalgic exterior is a fully modern mini RV designed for today's travelers. It's the perfect blend of past and future, built for those who want style, simplicity, and smart living on the road. One of the biggest advantages of this mini RV is its compact size. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and perfect for narrow roads, city streets, and scenic countryside routes. Unlike large motorhomes, this camper feels friendly and manageable, making it ideal for solo travelers, couples, or anyone new to RV life. Despite its small footprint, the interior layout is incredibly well thought out, maximizing every inch of space. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a warm, cozy interior with a retro modern vibe. Soft colors, wood-style finishes, and clever lighting create a relaxing atmosphere that feels more like a tiny studio apartment than a vehicle. The seating area easily converts into a comfortable sleeping space, offering a restful night after a long day of exploring. Storage compartments are hidden everywhere, allowing you to carry essentials without clutter. The Camper Mini RV Retro 2026 also features a compact kitchenette that's surprisingly functional. A small fridge, induction cooktop, sink, and storage cabinets make it easy to prepare simple meals on the go. Whether it's morning coffee by a lake or a quick dinner at a campsite, this mini RV gives you the freedom to cook wherever the road takes you. Technology plays a big role in making this camper practical for modern travel. A digital control panel manages lighting, temperature, water levels, and power usage. Solar panels on the roof help keep batteries charged, supporting off-grid adventures and eco-friendly travel. USB ports and power outlets ensure your devices stay charged. Whether you're working remotely or sharing your journey online. Comfort is not compromised despite the small size. Climate control keeps the interior pleasant in different weather conditions, while insulation helps maintain a quiet and comfortable environment. Large windows bring in natural light and offer panoramic views, making even small spaces feel open and connected to nature. One of the most exciting aspects of the Camper Mini RV Retro 2026 is its focus on simplicity and freedom. It's not about luxury overload, but about smart design that supports spontaneous travel. You can wake up in a forest, drive to a beach by noon, and sleep under the stars at night, all without complicated setups or heavy equipment. The exterior design adds to its charm and functionality. LED lighting improves visibility and safety, while durable materials ensure long-term reliability. The retro paint options and custom detailing allow owners to express their personality, making each camper feel unique and personal. This mini RV is perfect for weekend escapes, long road trips, or even minimalist full-time travel. It's affordable compared to large RVs, fuel-efficient, and less intimidating to handle. For many travelers, it represents a return to simple, meaningful journeys rather than oversized, complicated setups. The Camper Mini RV Retro 2026 shows that adventure doesn't have to be loud or massive. Sometimes, all you need is a small space, a reliable vehicle, and the open road. It captures the spirit of classic travel while embracing modern efficiency, making it one of the most appealing compact campers of the future. If you enjoyed this look at the Camper Mini RV Retro 2026, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with fellow travel lovers. Subscribe for more futuristic campers, smart vehicles, and innovative mobility ideas from around the world. Let us know in the comments if you'd take this retro mini RV on your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road ahead.